Welcome to Channel AMAC, your insight to the Australian visa system. Good day everyone, my name is Carl Young, your online YouTube visa consultant. Are you interested about migrating to Australia? Why don't you consider to subscribe to my channel and turn a little bell on the side, so once we have all the updates and news, you'll be the first one of getting all the insight. Alright, today is a very important day, 21st of February 2022. Why is it important? Because this is the date that the government of Australia has set to have a full opening of its border. So not just the international student, not just the skilled migrant, but tourists, travelers, anyone is open to come to Australia. And there are some technical updates in regards to the visa application procedures. So we would like to take you into that little bit of the complexity and requirement, what's required. Anyway, let's jump in there and have a look. But obviously, if you want to come as a traveler, you need to check the country of passport and how you are categorized in a way to apply for this travel visa. Okay, now generally a lot of people might know about the Electronic Travelling Authority. Very easy name is ETA. Now this is under eta.homeaffairs.gov.au. However, I've tried to actually do this one through this website, which is only costing $20. I won't going to pay for it, but I notice when I click on apply and select, well, let's select Hong Kong for example, it's not allowing me to do so. As you can see, there's a warning sign here, but obviously there is an important notice. Let's have a read through the notice and we will go through step by step how you are required to get this done. So from the 21st of February 2020, all fully vaccinated, that means you have received double shots, visa holder can travel to Australia without a travel exemption. So no more exemptions. You're not required to go through all these exemptions application anymore. But the unvaccinated visa travel will still need to get a valid travel exemptions, and plus a medical a statement from your doctor, basically stating why you cannot get vaccinated, perhaps of health reasons. Okay, some traveler can apply for ETA using AustralianETA App. We'll go through that with you as well, and for some require to go the other way. So I'll show you how that will go. So ETA App will expand remaining ETA eligible passport holder from April 2022, and the other, if you're unable to use the app, we'll go to the e-visitor 651 visa. That's predominantly for all the European country passport holders, so European passport holders. What is ETA? It's Electronic Travel Authority, provide authorization to travel and enter to Australia. So previously, some countries in Asia are required to go through travel agency to actually get their ETA, but now no more. Everything is electronically can be done. So, well, thanks for pandemic, a lot of things has been becoming more digital and more convenient for everybody. So who can apply for ETA? So the country currently is Brunei, Canada, Hong Kong, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, Korea, Taiwan, and United States. Now, obviously, if you're in a country in Europe, you'll do the 651 visa. So let's have a look what this is all about. So if you search Electronic Travel Authority 601, you will land yourself into this page. Basically that the information is repeat what we just read and gone through. Now the visa, if you're doing through ETA, the processing time is perhaps 1 minute or a little bit longer, 1 hour, not even days. They get you straight away. Okay, it's very quick. Now obviously if you're a passport holder, not even a European country or those Asian country or United States, unfortunately, then you have to go through the traditional 600 visa, which will, quite lengthy and more costly because that involves human case officer assessing. So that's, for example, like India will still require to go through this one. Okay, now the ETA, that's the eligibility, and we'll go through step by step. Although there are a lot of country eligible in this list, this very long list, but currently 4 countries can utilize the app is only these few countries. So they are looking to implement more in the coming future. So obviously for Austria, Belgium, and all the other countries will be available to do that very soon. You need to be a genuine visitor. Okay, so you don't use visiting visa to come to Australia and work. That's not what they want you to do. All right, step by step. The first step before you apply, you need to have a valid passport. That's pretty sure, because I'll show you how the app will actually work. The app now is very advanced. It basically scans your passport, and you probably will go through that with minutes, and you pay $20 online, and then done. And the next minute you receive a visa grant. They're very, very quick, very, very efficient. I think this is Australia has utilized digital and electronic means to the top. I think this is very good, very good. Okay, as you can see, apply for this visa. Now, if you're a country of these countries, then you need to download AustralianETA App. It's free, so it's on the Apple Store or Google Play Store. I'm gonna show you later in the at the end of this video. I'll show you how that will work anyway. Now, if you're in European countries, the application is free, so rather than $20, it's free. And these countries are, well, I'm not gonna name all of them because it's a very, very long list, but UK is included in there. But the only downside is that you need to, when you click on apply right here, you go through the traditional email account where you punch in, typing a lot of stuff. It's more lengthy. Unlike ETA, you scan your passport with your phone, smartphone, and that's done. Okay. Now, if you're in, you're not in a Apple, you're not using Apple, then you will need to go through Google Play, and you found this app, AustralianETA. Download it, and as you can see, the second screen, I'm gonna show you later. Scan your passport, everything's ready, and then they will scan yourself, your face, and take a photo. And then you pay for the money, $20, and that's it. Okay, now let's jump into the actual. Let me show you how that will look like in a here. Okay, now this one, it's quite interesting. This is my actual phone, so you might see how it all plays out. So you go to your app store and you type in ETA, and you'll find that app there. You click on that, AustralianETA, download it, or whatever the method. You set your passcode, and then here we go. All the disclamations, disclaimer, agree, start your application, and then as you can see, it asks you to scan your passport and so on and so forth. So it's actually very, very convenient and very, very easy to be done. So if you consider to travel to Australia, that is the way to do it now. It's very cheap, and you can do your DIY yourself. Hopefully, anyway, if you travel internationally, still there is still virus going around. So make sure you have hygiene and consider your health secure and things like that. Be healthy, don't get infected, and get double shot of the vaccination, and enjoy your trip. Anyway, should you have more question or query, more than welcome to leave a comment right down below, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.